G'day everyone, it's Chriso coming to you from the Gold Coast. What I'm doing this morning, I'm going to be priming my floor and waterproofing the floor and walls. I'll sheet this shortly when I've got a chance as the waterproof is drying, but I want to get the first coat in the shower done because I always do 3 coats. Now see the fall I've got to the drain? This is having a strip drain in it. It's going to be going about there, leaving a little bit of room for the tile. About there. I've sanded it so it'll all look nice and uniform. So what I'm doing is I'm going floor to ceiling in this bathroom with the tiles. I always prime my walls and floor before I waterproof and before I tile. Doesn't take much. This is all shaped. This shower floor is all shaped nicely. It's going down like that. It's going from there to nothing up here. This is going to be a full tile out to the door. Outside there they're having a special lino, industrial lino getting put down. So I'm stopping my tiles, in this case, at the doorway. Okay, I'll carry on putting my primer down and I'll come back to you shortly. See ya, bye.